It's your boy Epic Jamaican here again with another video with Kai in film.
Yep.
Okay, let's get it. Today we're gonna be reacting to some How Dirty Is Your Mind. It's crazy how skilled artists are nowadays where they can just draw some craziness and like blow your mind, you know what I'm saying? So let's get it.
Wow.
Hold on. Let's stop the video right there. What is that? What do you think that is, by the way?
I mean, you can see what it is from there, but I feel like it's gonna turn into like, I don't know.
What can he turn that into though? It looks like a girl spreading their legs. Like,
Yeah.
let's see. It still looks like she's spreading her legs.
Yeah.
You see that? Like,
Yeah, is that gonna be like the eyes and stuff? I don't get it. Oh, so it's running? Oh my god, that's like its claws, its other arm. That's so crazy. What
I still
the
don't see
heck?
that.
I still see her spreading her legs.
That's like
but
his
that's
face
his
now.
arm, yeah. Wow, that's crazy. That is amazing.
It still looks like a girl spreading her legs right
We'll
here.
let it finish. It is. I still see it too. Like, once he completes it,
A
it's
dinosaur with a girl on the back spreading her legs. Some
no,
tits.
no, that's a girl for a hand. That's what it looks like right now. When he completes it, like, oh, see, there you go. You don't see it anymore now, right?
He snapped.
Wow, that's crazy. That was really good. Wow.
Okay, what is this?
Is it gonna be another dinosaur?
Nah.
Oh my gosh.
That looks like a dildo with a jagged edges. Nah, seriously, like.
No, you're right, for real. That's crazy. What the hell? What the heck?
Now it just looks like a freaking
Like
lizard
someone
hugging
like,
a dildo.
seriously.
It still looks like it's like a guy hugging like a
like
pair
a
of
mouse.
balls.
You see like the tail kind of like, I don't know.
That could be his legs trying to wrap around the balls.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
It's a freaking. Oh, it's like a mouse holding a pencil. Wow.
Wow. I mean, that still looks kind of wrong.
Yeah, it does. Yeah. Wow. The fuck? This gonna be a peacock or?
What the frig? He cannot turn that into something right now. It
He
literally
is.
looks like a penis just flopping out like
Like a bunch of penises. Like,
right?
it's gonna be like a peacock or something. A turkey?
Yeah, I think you're right. It could be a turkey.
Yeah, it's a turkey, I guess.
Looks like that's his neck and that's gonna be his head.
Yeah, it's a turkey.
Wait, this is supposed to be dinosaur.
Dinosaur. Yeah, I was wondering. I'm like, what? A mouse? A turkey? I don't know. It's a turkey.
Okay, a turkey mouse, turkey dinosaur. That's all the time we have for today, guys.
Till next time.
Peace, love, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video.
Comment below.
If you want to see more videos, you know what I'm saying? Peace, love.